Rollers have been used in road maintenance and construction since the early 20th century. These early versions were known as steam rollers. Technological advancement has brought us the diesel-powered rollers we use today. ODOT crews across the state use rollers to compact asphalt, gravel, and soil. There are two primary types of rollers, the steel wheel roller and the pneumatic roller. Both of these rollers play a unique role in the maintenance of our state highways. This program covers the Caterpillar PS150C pneumatic roller. The roller you will be using may have slight differences than this version. As always, refer to your operator's manual for instructions on the machine you will be using. Before we focus on this piece of equipment, let's focus on you. Since 1937, ODOT has lost over 50 employees killed in the line of duty. That's why the department cannot stress enough how important it is to stay safe and alert. Safety starts with you. A good way to practice safe work procedures is by using the required PPE or personal protective equipment. This consists of, but is not limited to, an ODOT-approved ANSI-certified Class 3 safety vest with sleeves, a highly reflective hat that is bright and clean, and a pair of sturdy gloves. Keep in mind that the gloves reduce the sensitivity of your hands, which may affect your ability to operate some controls. You may also need to wear eye and hearing protection if the job calls for them. Any ODOT employee who is required to drive as part of their duties must possess a valid Oklahoma driver's license. Also, as a transportation equipment operator, you must possess a Class A CDL. Having a driver's license also comes with the responsibility of knowing when you shouldn't drive or operate heavy equipment. Be sure to notify your supervisor if things such as fatigue, a medical condition, or medication might prevent you from safely performing your job. For your personal safety, Oklahoma legislation prohibits a state employee from texting while driving a state vehicle or operating heavy equipment. The use of tobacco or e-cigarettes on state property is prohibited. This includes the roller. The pneumatic roller consists of a set of front and back rubber tires used to compact shallow lift fill, aggregate, and asphalt material. Standard equipment found on a roller includes a pressurized spray system for maximum spray control, certified rollover protection structure, or ROPS, a seat belt, backup alarm, horn, vandal cover, cocoa mats, gauges, and meters. A roller is commonly ballasted with water, sand, or steel. Ballast increases the weight of the machine, allowing for greater compaction and added density to the surface. The spray system moistens the roller's tires, keeping hot asphalt material from sticking. In addition to the sprayers, cocoa mats distribute a film of water to the entire surface of the pneumatic tires as they turn. This both cools the tires and prevents tacky material from sticking to the roller's wheels. A swivel seat allows you to operate from the left side, center, or the right side of the machine. Hydrostatic drive allows for infinitely variable travel speeds. Other features include a parking brake and hydraulic-powered steering. Rollers are a key piece of heavy equipment used in highway maintenance. That's why it's important to understand the capabilities and proper operation techniques of the machine. As a heavy equipment operator, your top priority is operating the machine in a safe and effective manner. Remember to always obey all the safety decals that are on the machine. Before operating the roller, be sure you are aware of all risk factors in your job perimeter. Inspect the work area for obstructions and debris. Operators must ride in the operator's seat, keeping their hands on the controls at all times. Always wear your seat belt while operating the equipment. This allows for the ROPS, or rollover protection system, to protect you in the case of a rollover incident. Remember, the ROPS is useless if you are not wearing your seatbelt. The roller is a single-occupant machine, and at no time should passengers be allowed to ride on the equipment. When entering and exiting the roller, always use 3 points of contact. This consists of 2 feet and 1 hand, or 1 foot and 2 hands in contact with a handhold or access point at all times. Do not operate the roller if the machine's weight, including the ballast, exceeds the approved weight limits of the machine. This will cause damage to the roller and increase the possibility of an accident. Please refer to the owner's manual for the correct vehicle weight for operation. Before performing any maintenance on the roller, bring it to a full stop on level ground. Never provide service or maintenance to the machine unless the wheels are properly chocked and the parking brake is applied. Remember, it is prohibited to make any modifications to the machine that may affect safety without the manufacturer's approval. This applies to any installation or adjustment of safety devices. Your safety and the safety of others are dependent on the correct operation of the roller. An out-of-control machine can result in injury or death.